Hi, this is George Miller from the Buffalo Bill Center of the West in Cody, Wyoming. And we're here in the Northern Bighorn Basin in Wyoming. And I'm here with my dogs, Janu and Murphy. And we're taking a look today at some of the geology here in Northwest Wyoming. It's a geologist's dream. There's very little tree cover, so we can see a lot of interesting formations. Well, down here is the sagebrush steppe. And the sagebrush steppe is like an ocean of sagebrush. Very few trees grow down here because of a lack of water. Right along the riverbanks we see cottonwood, and that's about all. It's really dry down here. This is a beautiful part of the country. If you look at the mountain in the distance, that's Heart Mountain. And about 53 million years ago, there was a huge landslide, and the top of Heart Mountain slid from around Cook City, Wyoming, to its present location. It's very unusual because older rocks are usually under younger rocks, but in this case, older rocks are on top. Well, the Bighorn Basin is an amazing place because there's so many different geologic formations. As we pan to the west, we see the Absarokas, which are volcanic mountains, and we see the Beartooth, which are very, very old mountains. Those Beartooth Mountains are some of the oldest rock on Earth, and they were uplifted during the Laramide orogeny. Don't you love that word, Laramide orogeny? That's the mountain building process for the Rocky Mountains. Well, that was all uplifted, and so the Absarokas are mostly volcanic from around 50 million years ago. So they're very different kinds of mountains. Now, coming out of the mountains is the Clark's Fork of the Yellowstone River, and that has carved a canyon that's also been additionally carved by glaciers. Most of this country was glaciated, the high country was glaciated during the Pleistocene glaciations. Well, here we are in the northern end near Red Lodge, Montana, looking down into the basin, and we can see some of the mountains in the distance. If you look right out on the horizon, you'll see the Bighorn Mountains, and you'll also see the Pryor Mountains. So the Bighorn Basin is surrounded by mountains. Well, here we are in the foothills of the the foothills of the Beartooth, and you can see some red rock there. And this red rock is called Chugwater Formation, and it was formed in the Triassic period, about the time of the dinosaurs. Well, we're going to have lots more to say about the Northern Bighorn Basin and its geologic history and some of the history of the animals in this area. So stay tuned. We'll be back with you next week. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to centerofthewest.org.